Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I like to make my whipped coffee. This is just like a basic recipe. It's not flavored or anything. I like mine on the sweeter side, so I add a little bit more sugar, but if you like yours to be like coffee strong, then just add less sugar. But I think you're gonna love this recipe. It's refreshing. It's really just like a wonderful treat, especially now. Summer's kind of winding down, but it's still really hot. I think you guys are gonna love it.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and